Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So we've got a slightly different video today because I'm filming downstairs. And just because I wanted to get this video filmed and up, this has come in the post and it's from the lovely Christine's Cards and Things, who's on YouTube. I'll link her below. And we did a swap as part of Cadge Crafts Facebook group. So you can search for Cadge Crafts, which is CAJ crafts, and you know how to spell crafts because you're a crafter, on Facebook. And she's got a group where people post things they make, but also she's doing monthly swaps, and the theme of this swap was thanks a bunch. So kind of a thank you one and flowers, and you can make anything you want. I made a pocket letter and sent it to Christine, and she made me a pocket letter, and which is great because pocket letters are one of the most fun things to swap. But she also included this cute little card, and she said, "Dear Ruth, thank you again for the lovely pocket letter and thanks a bunch swap organised by Carol Ann. I'm sorry it's taken so long to get yours ready. That's not a problem, Christine. As I say, when people swap with me, I'm not in any rush to receive it. You know, I trust you that you'll get it on the way. Keep up your crafting. I really enjoy your channel. That's lovely. Thank you." And her YouTube is down the bottom. So it's lovely. I do like the flower theme. That's something that I enjoy. So this has been through the walls a bit in the post. As we all know, things get battered about a little bit and these bits have come off. I think this is where they went. But it is actually, I find it's notoriously hard to stick stuff to this clear plastic. So I think that's part of the reason why they come off. It is quite hard to stick to it. But she's done a lovely little shaker pocket, and I can zoom in now because I'm holding the camera this time. I don't normally do this because we find out how shaky my hands are. But look how pretty that is. Really nice colour combination. And I'm just going to show you my favourite bit is that she's woven these paper flowers, and you can see like intertwine them on the back so they all run all the way up. I've not seen someone do that before. I think that's really clever. And they're beautiful as well. I do like the colour orange, like oranges and yellows and things like those sort of sunset colours I'm really warming to now. Whereas I was more of a sort of blues and greens and things colour, but now I'm really getting into my oranges and yellows. So really pretty, and there's lots of die cuts. Here comes Bailey. Say hello, Bailey. No. Really pretty flowers and butterflies, and that's a nice one as well, isn't it? So Bailey wants to go outside. He has a cat flap, but for some reason he likes to be let outside constantly, just to make me get up. So we will have a look and see what's inside each of these. So I'm going to have to pull that out because I'm doing it one-handed. So inside the first one are these really cute little tags. Hey Mango. I'm not sure what that says, but they look kind of French, don't they? So I think they could go in my Paris themed journal that I'm working on. So now we've got cat craziness. We've got Bailey over there demanding to go outside. We've got Mango's having a look here. So we've got those cute tags. Bear in mind, Christine, if anything's missing, it might have fallen out. So hopefully it will turn up soon. So in the next one, she has put some, oh god, word, this is why I don't do it normally one-handed. You're wondering why I'm doing it today, I'm sure. Some gorgeous black gems. Black gems I find really useful because you can use them for eyes and on little critters, noses, and just like classy black things. What do you think, Mango? There's a cute little flower. Please don't destroy it or I'll be mad. I'll be mad. And then in this one, I know it feels like I'm pulling the whole thing apart, but I'll put it back together later. It's just the easiest way to get things out. Wow, look how yellow that is. Mango, you are going to be a right pain in the neck, aren't you? Wow, that is well yellow. They're so yellow. I like that though. I don't have anything yellow like that. And that'd be good actually for my Halloween. Oh my word. So Mango has pulled out, oh sorry about this, Christine. She's pulled out this beautiful one from another one because she obviously particularly likes this one. I like that. That's really pretty. Can you? I don't believe you. Right, you, come here. I'm going to go behind there. So I put these bits aside, and that doesn't work, does it? Because she just does whatever she wants. And then inside this one, why? Is some more pretty lace. I love lace. Some in pink, and some of these cute bows. I use these a lot in my card making, actually, bows. I think they're just when you put like a line of ribbon, just adding a little bow at the end really adds to it. And it's nice to have a bow in the right colour to match the ribbon. So it's useful to have all sorts of different bows. So we'll take that out just to remind ourselves which ones I've done. And then here, talking about ribbon, that's some cute ribbon, isn't it? And it's stitching themed. I do like anything sewing themed, and I also happen to have quite a few sewing stamps, so that would go really well. You are going to be a naughty kitty, aren't you? Stop it! Stop! Come here. Oh, baby, I didn't mean to hurt you. Oh, she cried. Cried. It's all right, Bubba. And then in this one, so Cat City here, some more gems. And I keep thinking all these can be perfect for my Halloween project. She's walked away now. I'm not sure how I picked her up that made her cry. The right colour scheme, aren't they? And over in this one, we've got some more gems. But also, Christine has put in some little calendars, and they're 2020 calendars. So that's really cool. So I can make up a little calendar and decorate it. So she'll probably do that at some point, probably nearing more November, December time. And maybe even one to have in the classroom at school. So some gorgeous items. I'm just going to do a little close-up on all those sequins since I'm holding this camera. And you're probably thinking, never do a film this way again, because this has just been crazy. But I think it's been quite nice to actually get some close-ups on some of the things that I have received, and the beautiful pocket letter that I'm going to put back together again now. So thank you very much, Christine. And yeah, check out Christine on YouTube and Kaj Crafts on Facebook group, and check me out again on here, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye.